Hello everybody, welcome to Nosy Magazine. We are 4th grade children from Ginester School in Matadepera. This time our magazine speaks about the climate change.
The climate what?
The climate change. Do you come with us? We will share with you many different information.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go!
What does you mean climate change?
Our planet is getting very hot because different reasons. The most important reason is that humans taking the air.
Yes, we consume our natural resources of energy and we produce a quantity of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are they? They act as blanket. They warm up the atmosphere.
The greenhouse gases are created with we-born fossil fuels.
The temperature is increasing too much and too fast. The earth is getting sick. But I don't understand what are the fossil fuels and what is the problem with them.
The fossil fuels are the petrol, coal and gas. They are very polluting.
Cars, plants, ships, factories and of engines working fossil fuels.
We use these means of transport very usually.
Yes, we are also responsible of polluting our air.
The plastic is made with petrol. The methane is also a greenhouse gas.
Yes, what is the difference with carbon dioxide?
It's very simple. The methane is produced by animals, people and organic waste.
We eat a lot of meat, special cows and big nets, a lot of water.
Pig's urine pollutes our aquifers. It's a big problem. The tap water is a treasure.
Do you know that palm oil, paper or furniture industries are destroying our forest?
It's not fair. The forest products can assimilate carbon dioxide.
And there is another problem. When the dry season is very long, forests can easily burn.
If we destroy forest and plants, Earth will transform into a desert.
Can you imagine lost the natural
I don't want to imagine this.
The problems of air are very important, but the oceans are also in danger.
The polar ice is melting and the sea level is growing.
Our beaches are in danger, and cities and islands.
Climate refugees will be very usual soon.
Our oceans are polluted and drowned in plastics.
Humans are destroying the sea ice. We need to stop this before it's too late.
The climate change also produces another problem.
What it's about? There are more extreme rains, heavy storms and hurricanes.
The pouring rain erodes the soil and produces desertification.
And what happens when the soil becomes infertile? Then we will not have enough food.
Can you imagine our life without eating bird? Because it's not wild.
I can't imagine this.
And the ocean surfing are process of acidification. What does it mean?
That many kids of sea animal with the fertility disappear.
I don't understand with the species of animal disappears uncontrolled.
With the global warming, the temperature will rise and more.
Yes, and the still feeling there is for the some people. Which people? For little babies and the people and ill people.
I understand the situation will be very difficult.